Hello, 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 hello! Round two, Electric Boogaloo. What's up, guys? What's going on? Crash is not here. It is time for some game development. One of those things where I don't even know if the music's playing or not. I'm assuming it is. Hard to tell. Screen's black. There we go. All better. Oh, that's not the right one. There it is. Guys, if you don't already know, we have a Kickstarter, and Kickstarter is currently live, and it's neat and awesome, and you should totally back the project. I am not biased, I promise. It's just a great project. You can back it for as little as $1, or if you want some rewards, you can back it for $12. There are 85 slots left for the $12 slot. Pick it up before it sells out. It's going to hit like wildfire soon. So make sure you get ready. Here we go. What are we working on? What are we working on? We were working on Season Pass stuff yesterday. Or yesterday, an hour, like 2 hours ago. We are going to work on getting that main menu icon to look nice for the, what's it called? For the thingamajig. Gotta find it first. For the quests. UI quest guy. Right. Claim. Turn claim on. Claim is on redeem as well, so let's just make sure we add a button for this. Let's do the same one here that is here. Copy. Claim. Values. Right? Easy peasy. So now what we can do is we can literally claim it based on the active quest. And active quests have an XP amount and a currency amount. Both. Right? There are two different amounts. So we need an XP amount too. So we gotta go like this, and we're gonna duplicate it. Do like that. Oop, oop, oop. Zero. Change this image to the fireball. So the season pass. This one. Wonderful. Readable. That's all that matters. Reward XP. Reward gold. Cool. Cool. Also, I've heard word. The bird is the word, and I've heard that I would recommend that we're gonna recommend reducing or nerfing Hansel and Gretel. They're way too strong. So I think we're gonna have to nerf them a little bit. Yeah, a little much. You know what I mean? Just a little bit much. So we can definitely do that. We have to go like this. Turn these claim guys off. Claim scheme. Need the reward amount, and we need reward amount XP, reward amount gold. There. Reward amount XP is XP awarded. Reward amount gold is quest data dot in-game currency awarded. Boom. Wonderful. Okay. So rewards XP. Changes. Rewards XP. Rewards XP. Rewards gold. Rewards gold. Save. Should be okay. That way it looks cleaner, easier to understand. We know that there's a claim button to make it nice and simple. Right? Let's try to unlock. Let's play and unlock some stuff, shall we? Need to choose to hide the settings icon in certain scenes. Simile Mountain. We're definitely gonna go for that. Brothel. Bummer. We're playing this deck. Okay. Okay then. tumbling. The extra hurt. Unreal. Tumbling Crypt. Wow. If a random card from your hand into your deck, draw a card. We could benefit off of playing Pied Piper after playing Dark Omen. And they turn over first. Okay, they drew their highest card in their deck. Why did that do that? The order was wrong. That was odd. Did you notice that too? It wasn't just me, right? I mean, Queen. Very, very cool. Okay. Brushbeard. Who has priority? They have priority on turn 5. We can play Thringing Cree. 3 cards that were destroyed to this realm. Why are we missing a card? They bounce a card back to us? No. Weird. Okay, Ungrateful Son is 7 points of power. Disgusting. Let me do this again. Question. Turn over. Turn over. Oh, it turns over immediately. Okay. The 1-3. Play the giant for the big damage. Control. Take control! Music make you lose control. Okay. We won by 2. Nice. It's a win! A win's a win! Win is a win. That is a win. Okay. Did I level up anything? No. Did one out of cards now? Let's play Fury deck instead. Taking some of this stuff though. Get some of this. Let's claim these. Gotta claim these coins for level 2. We can buy a variant. Oh my goodness, some of these are so good. Why do we have all these access to all these? Did I not erase my thing? I must have access to all the cards right now. Yep, I do. Okay. That's fine. We're gonna buy some variants. We're gonna buy Bearskin variant's great. And a Master Thief variant. Oops. That's odd that it does that. Could be wider if it's wider. I love that one. My ABC book. It's so funny. Also, this one's great. This is just great. Like these pieces are just so funny. I love them. Alright. The Nightingale Sorceress is strong. King Thrushbeard is a great card. Alright, we're just gonna buy Thrushbeard's one. Boom. I just realized we're missing something. We're missing the you buy a card, card acquired from the shop. We're missing that. We got to fix that. That can't be good. You can't just not have that. That's silly. Good old Fury deck. Fury decks are hard. Add AI for Arcane Barrier. Arcane Barrier. Arcane Barrier should not be played on realms with no cards. AI. Okay. Dang. Features bird. 8. Growing. Big number. All right. Graveyard. We're close. We almost got that turned over perfectly. So close. Earl King. 7 soldier. The 7 soldier is going to work out here. So Maid Maleen, Little Farmer next turn. Or because we can Earl King to get a lot of damage. 6 probably. Unless we pull, if we pull Light Burst, we're good. But I think we're gonna play. Turn 5 is gonna be Earl King and Maid Maleen. Let's do Little Farmer here. Aiden. Oh, the Maid Maleen came in for them too. I think I got a seedling. I got a seedling from okay. Wow, we have so many times that we can proc this right now. Do we want to? So what would die? Right now these would both die. We can do that and still be okay. So what if we did Earl King and Maid Maleen and then seedling? Why is this at attack -1? I thought it was anytime anyone gets hurt. Earl King's ability didn't work, and that's annoying. F. Is Earl King at 3? Up in the garden. Interesting. I have all the cards. Okay. There we go. Oh look, sweet. 50 and 25. Now we gotta make sure when we claim that. When we claim that quest is complete on redeem. Redeem. Okay. Add currency. Level, add currency. Okay. Need to then update. So we need to do new manager. Dot XP fill. Dot do fill amount. We can just call this dot update XP or whatever. Update level display. I think that should. I think it's the right one. Yep. Right. Nice. Worked out really well. Okay. So claiming quests now more clear. All right, we got to change the XP. Be whatever the amount is divided by how many turns you've played. Up to 6. I just X'd out of that. I have the fattest fingers in the world, man. They couldn't be fatter, I swear. Okay. Look at this new promotional that our artist made. I mean, that font's sick. That's so sick. I'm gonna call this a promo. 09/2023. We're gonna put it inside. Oh. Love that. Gotta go. That's gonna go on the A6. Get away. For real. Oh, real. Like, I'm sorry, Miss Jackson, I am for real. Like, that for real. Logo. Alright. Oh no, upload failed. Right. I hate when it does that. Makes it look like I did something wrong. Every time. Did not work? Nice. Dig that. Second, guys. Where's this? How is the next page? Where's this thing? I like the new one a lot. Smooth. One second, guys. Sorry. Doing a little bit of promo work. That new promo is great. So great. Is there anything in any cards that need to be added? Not that I know of. See anything in particular? Nope. Okay. Now we have that going. Sorry, guys. All right. All right. Okay, so now we have that done. We can now... We need to get the... Oh my goodness, look at this cool thing when you buy something. We don't have that, do we? Nope. And pass? We do have it in here, though. This guy. Shop. Look at this cool thing you bought. That needs to go in here. Can I please have it? Why? Use pass. Use pass. Copy. Where am I supposed to go? Shop. Shop. Hey, did it. Okay. Where is this? Where's this thing? Reward unlocked. Card unlock screen. Okay, I need to have the same information. And we need to have that because it needs to be moved to the card unlock screen script. So let's do that. An object. Card unlocked screen. So we're going to move that to where it needs to be. Excuse me. Unlock screen, and then we can go into the season pass. What happens when you unlock a card? Show unlock. This guy. Board box. So how do I renew? Is that gonna be broke? That's what I do over here. Holy moly. Okay. 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 So if I do that, right, and that's inside the season pass manager. So this is the show unlock reward box. We need a different one too, right? We need one for thingamajig. Copy paste the code. Paste, paste, paste. Copy, copy. Push the button on the copy button. TV Universe, what's up? How you doing? Good to see you. I'm actually copy pasting the code to move it to its own script. I'm doing the right thing in coding. He's doing it. You're a wizard, Harry. Okay, so this stuff. Pow. Only 2 errors. No, I'll take that. And they're both due tween errors. Gladly take those. Nice. No errors at all. That means that I can move it and I don't have to worry about anything. That's really cool. Right? So now, how lucky is that? I'm that good at coding. I'm kidding. I'm not that good at coding. You know what we're working on, Chibi Universe? Have you seen the trailer for it or anything? Dewtween Airs of Freebies. I love Dewtween. Dewtween is life. It is life. The only... Oh, you have Dewtween experience. And I have a question for you. And I might need help. Let me know if you're looking for... Let me know if you're looking to help. I don't even know if you know what we're working on. Just let the channel go live? Okay. Alright. So, World of Grimm is a collectible card game, right? There are 6 turns in the game. There are 3 locations. Each location is different every time. Things happen at different locations. Cards can move between sides. Right? This is your side, that's the opponent's side. Right? Should I let him say that again? World of Grimm is a card game. It's about Brothers Grimm fairy tales. It's in a card game, right? So, basically it's a 6-turn game. There are 3 locations. Cards can move. There are cards that can be sent between sides, right? At that rate, my house is so loud. At that rate, there are ways to slide cards to different locations, right? I'm using Dewtween because it's all UI, so I'm using Do Anchor Position. The anchor set up the same, the pivot is set up the same. I have the actual location saved in the realms, right? So, excuse me. In these realms, right? So realm 1, all of the card slots have X and Y values for their anchor position. So I should be able to Dewtween to the anchor position, right? That makes sense. I think that makes sense. To me, that makes sense. However, we're having issues like this. Take a look at this. Ready? This is our biggest problem. Let me go into a match for you so you can see what I'm talking about. I gotta switch the realm to make sure the realm does something that I wanted to do. And I'll tell you what is intentionally supposed to happen and what is happening, right? Let's see. Let's go to the game turn manager and we will make this location the graveyard. So, every turn, a new location appears, right? Up for the first 3 turns. So the Beetle Cave happened first. It changes the game a little bit every time. Second location. This location. When this reveals next turn, it's called Graveyard. Graveyard puts a card on both sides of the field. On your side and the opponent's side, the same card. It comes out of the Graveyard realm. So it scales up and it's supposed to come to the next open position. However, watch what it does, right? So cards reveal at the same time when you play them. Okay, ready? Right here. Literally right here. See that? It didn't go to the spot before it turned over. It went somewhere out here. And why? Right? I don't have an actual answer on why that does that. Can I turn this off? Yeah. So I do not know the issue there, right? I do know that this card, right, the Undead Abomination, is in a grid layout group. Maybe it shouldn't be in a grid layout group. Because I have the elements for everything. And I have the positionings. Do they need to be a grid layout? The curves are I'm pretty sure I do in, out, ease. Where it like goes away from it a little bit and then gets to where it needs to go and stops and comes back. Right? The easings you're talking about. I do, and the one that shoots a little bit out over it. But it's not even near it, right? Because it said Like if I turn off the grid layout, it said that this was the final location. And when it's supposed to, it was supposed to go here. Right? You're thinking of these. You're thinking of those, right? Right? It's the in-out back is what I use. That's the one that makes this one right here. My hat's in the way. That one. That one makes the most sense for what it was doing, because it has velocity and it needs to stop itself at the right spot, right? So a little bit of juice never hurt anybody. However, I don't get it. It's always done it, and I'm about to, now that I have, actually I'm curious here. Let me save everything. Let me save everything here. Ooh, yuck. Save all. Let me push this. In case I screw it all up, right? Pre-screw up. Right? And I'm gonna disable the grid layouts. I'm just gonna see if the game can handle itself without the grid layouts, which is moderately terrifying. I don't know if I'm ready for that. Right? But maybe the game doesn't need the grid layout groups. Because right now, the chaos that exists, right, is this card's about to move. Let me attach a layout element to it. Let me turn off the layout element or ignore the element so that it doesn't go, hey, I'm part of a grid layout group, and snap itself, right? Then it moves to where it needs to move, and then it snaps itself because it turns the layout element back on. So if I leave the elements off the entire time, are we going to have just total chaos? Right? Like if I go here and turn the grid layouts off, are we going to have just a disaster on our hands? Let's see what happens. Let's see what kind of chaos we get out of that. Because I think when you play a card, it uses the grid layout group to snap itself. Right? There's a chance that I have code in the game that turns that back on. There is a chance of that too. Okay. Alright. And turn. No plays. Turn 2. Let me turn this to graveyard just to see if that does anything. If this does do something, then we are getting there, right? So that actually placed it in the right spot, and I'm curious if the grid layout group is now back on, right? So here's the graveyard. Yeah, it's on again. So I have something somewhere that turns the grid layout on and off. Got it. These two. Moment of truth, right? Disable the grid layouts. It's all of them. It's all of them. So is this going to be total unadulterated chaos? And can I do it without grid layout groups? Right? Can I do it where I have them slide to where I want them to go without having to worry about it? It's going to require a little bit of extra work, right? You know, place a card and it's going to place it in the next open position. Like, look. Put it wherever the heck I want now. Where's that card? I love it. I love it. Total chaos. Nothing like total chaos. I feel like the grid layout group was the easy way out, right? And I feel like it's messing with things. So if here's the graveyard coming in, ready? I'm not gonna play anything, and they played something. I don't know what it was. Ready? What does that give us? Like, what kind of information does that give us, right? What does that give us? That gives us the information that it did place the opponent's 1 in slot 2. We do have a slot 1, right? So slot 2's here. Slot 1 can manually set up the grid behavior only when needed. Yeah, right? Confusing as hell, right? So slot 1 is 6085, 7379, which is exactly what the slot data is. Right, 6085, 7379, right? For slot 2, it's not that. It's 172 and negative 196. That would be this. 172, negative 196. So we're off by a little bit, aren't we? We're off by a little bit. That's confusing. Let me screenshot these. But I think if I fake a grid layout group, it should give me less errors, right? But also, it did throw the cards here. Did it not throw the cards here before it snapped the cards correctly? That is what happened, right? So if I were to move the cards there, that is 55, negative 52. Right? Dude, what is that number? That number's wrong. In what relation is that? You see my issue I'm having? It makes no sense at all. Times 2 division from the center, maybe. Oh, I see it! I see the entire issue. Look at this. Grid layout groups automatically choose top left position and pivot. Right? This card was played, not that card. Not that card. This card. This card was played center position and pivot. So of course it's not going to line up correctly. Right? Of course. So the card needs to have its position and pivot equal to the top left when it is played on the field. Is that the actual solution? So the grid layout group is fine as long as I make sure that the pivots for the cards are correct. Right? How do you change pivots in code? That is the next thing. Right? Let's ask ChatGPT, shall we? Like, I don't think I know this next part. So, ChatGPT, please help. Okay. Let's see here. Alright. Bug fixing goes right, maybe, right? How can I edit the position, the anchors and pivot of a rect transform in code? They're called anchors, yeah. Anchors and pivot. Don't worry, the entire game is canvas. Oh, thank you, ChatGPT. You're so sweet. You're so sweet to me. So it's okay, anchor min, anchor max, pivot. And literally Anchorman, Anchormax, and Pivot. That's actually really convenient. Okay. Okay. That's really convenient. Timeout. So now let me go back and get rid of this change. And get rid of this change. Right? And now the cards need to be, if they are created. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Let's go back to where we create the graveyard. Right? This has been plaguing me for 5 months. And every time I look at it, I get irritated. So I stopped doing it. Right? Okay. So we have the graveyard. That's creating a token. That's not the other graveyard. This. We have a spawn copy. Create quick card right here. Rec transform right here. Rec transform CRT equals get component transform CRT dot position. We're getting somewhere. Set the damn thing. Anchor min equals. I wish you could set. I wish there was a way to set set anchors. What is this? Dot access dot what? Oh. Not what I thought it was. Got really excited. Okay. CRT dot anchor min equals. What is the pivot for when it's left? When it's left, it is 010101. Is that right? That's what it was, right? When it was put in. Hold on, I have to mess with it again. Into the game he goes. Into the game he goes. Make an extension function. Shush. Yeah, I'm actually gonna make one. It's gonna be set anchor on placement. Like that's the issue. It's off by the smallest amount. It's off because of the anchor. Literally the entire problem, right? They got the wolf, man. That's like a forfeit at that point. A bummer. Okay. Okay. 0101 and middle pivot. Got it. 0101 middle pivot. Okay. So vector 2 dot up CRT dot anchor max vector 2 dot up. Right? CRT dot pivot equals new vector 2 half. Does that do it? If that does it, we're making an extension out of it. Like I'm gonna make a little card dot update rec anchors. Bullshit. Like I'm just gonna do it. So you're watching Bluey? Yeah. Alright. Turn 1. Well, this is the Frog Kingdom. The Frog Kingdom is either going to work perfectly or pure chaos, and I'm going to sit there and cry. One of the two things are going to happen. The Frog Kingdom is a realm that places a frog at every location. Are you ready? Nope, still not right. Wait, because we didn't update the Frog Kingdom. Duh. Crass. You didn't do that one. You did Graveyard. Of course it wasn't going to work, you idiot. Okay. Start thinking, you'd be okay. Okay.
You're so dramatic.
I am extremely dramatic. Turn 2. Yeah. What did that even do? I feel like we're closer than we ever were, but I don't know what that did because there were too many cards on the field. Frog. Graveyard.
Frog.
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 Frog. Okay, so that wasn't close still. That's still not right. But I feel like we're closer? Are we closer though? You know what I need to do? I need to be speedy with my hands. I need to pause as soon as that card is created so I can see what the hell it's called. What its anchors look like. Progress. Definitely progress. Speedy. Okay. Cards were created. Do tween me good. Well, that's how can you make do tween sexual? Step 1. 1.5. Alright, let's see if this update's all weird, right? Let's see what happens. Did it? I don't think it did. I don't think it did anything. Graveyard. Okay. Expected spot, right? I think it might be because we literally are trying to, make magic happen. But outside of that, I mean, it's because we're playing with UI the entire time, right? We're at 1.1, negative 229. Our pivot is 0.5, and our anchor is still 0.5. Our anchor's 0.5. I don't understand. I changed the anchor. You saw me change it. You saw me change the player's anchor. Is it because I only changed one of them? You saw me do this. You don't need to love something, man, and they're psychotic, I think. Okay. Up is 0-1. There's no way that could be. There's no way at all that could come out as 0.5, 0.5. Right? It's not humanly or mathematically or unmathematically possible. It's not a thing. Right? It's just not a thing. Answer me that question. Answer me it. Before I throw in the towel. Alright. Turn 1. Create me. The do tween has started, which means if the do tween started, it has gotten to the do scale. Right? We went 0 to 0.359. Right? So far, so good. Is where we're at. We passed this. We passed it. This should have changed. Right? Player. It did change. Okay, opponent. It did change. Are we about to see magic happen? Almost! So close! Which one was good, though? The player's one was right. Right? Player's side was right. I think the player's side was right. The opponent's side went to spot 2 for some reason. hate game development. I hate UI. That's about it. But I think the player was right. Was I right? Am I messing with myself? Am I not seeing that? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a second. Nope, they both go to the wrong side. They're still off a little bit. How? They're off by 1 card slot. Can I just, for now, out of curiosity, right? Move to new card. New card to, whoops. What the heck did I just do? Move card to new location. They're off by 1. Get open position at realm. Hold on. I see why. Do you see why? Gotta go. Join again after if the stream is still going. Thanks for hanging out, buddy. Much appreciated. If you think about backing the project, please do. Talk to you soon. Thanks for being awesome. Yeah, fucking UI. Thanks, man. Catch you later. Okay, so this is the issue. We have the amount of child count objects, right? So, if I have already given the player the card, now there's 1 in the holder. And if there's 1 in the holder, that means it's gonna give it slot 2. So we need to do child count -1. That gonna work. Did I just get excited? Did I just get giddy? Reduce XP gains based on turns finished. Wait, I saw some non-mountain. Alright, I want to change this one. Oh, it's already the graveyard. How unbelievably convenient. Okay, the moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh my god, I did it. Okay. Now, new moment of truth. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. Next moment of truth. The next moment of truth, right? Let's make this spot the graveyard. Make you the graveyard. Okay? And we're gonna play the Dark Omen. End turn. This should put them at both. Should put them both at slot 2. We did it! 4 months of bugs dead. Now I've got to go through and do it for all of the movement. All the movement tech in the game. Yes! Ah, that's so great. Oh my god. I can die happy. We did it. We did it. Yep. If I die tomorrow, at least I got what I want to. At least I got what I wanted accomplished, man. That was it. That's all I needed. That was it. Literally it. Yes. Okay. Wow. Okay. So how do I fix everything else that exists in this game that has movement? Right? Graveyard. This one. So it's this. Right? I need to turn this into a... So it doesn't use anywhere else? No. This needs to be extracted and needs to be update anchors and pivot for game board. Nice. That's wonderful. I'm so happy about this. I really am. What else moves? What other things move? Wishing Well. Player Wish. Why am I not using C? Whatever. Opponent Wish. Wait. Hold on. The position. Did I just mess that up? Hold on a second. Hold on. Where is it? I don't even know where it is. Where did I put that? Here. Position. Okay, card. And then we can do Vec2 position. Okay. So it's gonna actually be this. So it's C, this dot get component, rec transform, dot anchor position. Yep, that looks about right. Okay. Same thing with Wishing Well. Dot position. Oh. Hold space. Was position. This. So it was this. So it was CRT dot position. Okay. Equals position. Yeah, it is position. Okay. Alright, so that's right. But up here is wrong. Right, because it's dot, it's just dot position. Okay. Cool. I can't believe we got that working. That's so epic. I am so overly excited right now. This here. Nope, 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 nope. It's this guy. It's this. This. Right? And it's Player Wish. Okay. And it's this one. And it's Opponent Wish. Okay. Okay. What else? The Frog Kingdom. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this one. For it to just work. That's just a regular. Okay. Same one. Same thing here. Okay. Beetle Cave doesn't do anything. Fiddler's House doesn't do anything. Wishing Well doesn't do anything. It does stuff. I already did it. Meme Collapses I did. Frog Kingdom. Heard that. Oops. Nightingale Castle does it. Doesn't it? Nightingale Castle? Oh. Round 1 play status. Oh, here it is. I got it. Transform card. So that doesn't do anything. It's a transform. It doesn't place anything. So we're good there. Graveyard is good. Hollow doesn't do anything. Brawl doesn't do anything. Mr. Chest. Only card doesn't do anything. Garden doesn't do anything. Those are all done. Okay. Cinderella. The biggest offender is Cinderella. Right? The biggest offender. Right here. Don't need any of this. Okay. Create quick card. It's right here. Wow. C dot this realm. Dot update makers and pivot for game board. It's not private? It shouldn't be private. That's disgusting. Unbelievable. Okay. Wow. Bless you. Wait, what? Why is this so different? Player deck. Else, why are these two different? They shouldn't be. Okay. Create quick card, find stepmother. Opponent deck, player deck. Okay. One copy, player deck. Okay. Update anchors. Yeah. Okay. So I have to update Cinderella's. Cinderella code is inconsistent. Okay. Okay. Who else does something? Everyone just draws a card. Oh, we need all cards that have like spawn tokens, basically, right? Millwitch, Hildebrand, no. Rose Red, no. Young Mr. Fox, no. Regal King, Cinda, Florinda, Burgomaster, Bittern, no. Faithful, okay. Okay. This is very exciting. Frog King, Child Eater, Tiger Woman, Hansel, Cinderella. Okay. Gertrude, Fat Trina. Destroy card. Time to look between this. Time to look between cards. Okay. All right. Queen Lisa, Crab, Alara. Transform. Okay. Huntsman. Okay. Master Thief, Pied Piper, Talking Cat, Hansel, Gretel, Water Nix, no. Little Mask Girl, no. Little Mermaid, no. What better? Tom Thumb, Tumbling, no. Made of Braco, no. This mouse skin, okay. They still don't create copies of things. Okay. Taylor kills big guys. Snow Queen is Snow Queen. Red Riding Hood. Spinner? No. Wait. Spinner shuffles a card back into your deck, right? So it shouldn't be destroy. Spinner should actually be destroy card. Count for destroy false. Wait. Oh. I see. Shuffle back into hand, right? So if we do that, cards in hand, remove, draw a card. Add the card to the deck. We have, okay, so it's actually owner deck, cards in hand, are a destroy card. False. It's not this. Okay. So we fixed the spinner bug. Okay. Fox, destroyed cards, wise old woman. Okay, so far nothing. Simon Bo's daughter, Stick Prince. Here it is. There's one. Shoot. C.thisrealm. Update anchors and pivot for game board. Card C. Okay. That's amazing that we got that fixed. Those. Do we have a thing that was like not working? I thought I did that somewhere. Cards would not end up in the correct spot if they are spawned via a board effect. Oh my god, it's like the biggest bug in the game. And it's gone. Let's go. Man, it feels good. Feels so good. Okay. So then it's this and this. Okay. Thuringian Queen. And card to this side. No, that's fine. Didn't do anything different. One Maiden, Mother Malcho, Petronels. Okay. Made Moline. On the Bean Farmer. Magic Bean Token. Patriot's Bird. Okay, Bearskin. Okay. So then, where do other tokens get created? Right? There are other tokens that exist. But I don't know if they... Let me see. Token. Token creation. An object. These guys. Dragon is a transform. Undead Abomination's a creation. Transform. Placed in your hand. Okay. What about the Inspect Manager for tokens? Token card. Okay. So token card data. Okay. On show token card. Token. Constantly on you. Okay, here we go. Cinderella did it. Pied Piper goes in your hand, in your hand, in your hand, in your hand. On the field did it. In your hand. No, in your deck. In your deck. So are we done? Did we fix that issue completely? Let me save everything. That's a huge concern that is no longer around, and that feels literally amazing. If so, for deck one. Let's try it. Let's try it. See if we can grab Cinderella. We're gonna have a lot of things happen. We're gonna have Cinderella happen. We're gonna have make sure that we got the Beetle Cave, which is the token. Frog Kingdom is in there. We're gonna make sure Wishing Well is in there. Where is it? Okay. We're also going to cheat. We're gonna add Cinderella to our hand. All right. Front Kingdom. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. No idea. I am so beyond stoked. I don't know if I can contain myself right now. I don't know if I can. I am so happy. Turn 3. Like, there's so many things that have happened and so many tokens. This is 3 token realms in a row. I cannot contain the happiness. Cinderella should play the stepmother at the right spot. Where's she? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Reference not accepted. Update anchors. In the position. What was the reference? Problem. You made stepmother and it broke. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. We were good until that moment. That moment, we weren't good anymore. Okay. Don't you do that to me. Like even grandmother's house. They shouldn't transform and fly away anymore. They probably still will. They just disappear. No, now that card instead. We would need an animation, right? Cinderella. Bird has become what? Yakoslavia. This card has moved to a new round double stack hour. That's broken. This should say moves to a new realm. That is moved. Alright, so this should ping the stepmother right into this turn. Light. Umbrella. With path. Okay. What's the null? Is it literally just C dot this realm equals this realm? Is that all I have to do? Am I putting a band-aid on this? I actually don't have an answer. Now, I bet you it works. I bet you it's perfect. It was literally just, it didn't know what realm it was supposed to be in. Moderately funny, to be sure. I'm sure of it. That's moderately funny. God, this feels great. Snake Prince didn't play. Really? C dot this realm equals this realm. It's literally just that? Like this is the same issue we're having? We're just not setting the realm for some reason? Interesting. second, guys. That one. Kickstarter needs to be this one. New Kickstarter. Alright guys, hold on. A couple things to just go in and fix real fast in the Kickstarter. Okay, it was a different image. It's gonna be this one. It failed, of course. Love that. Looks really cool. Cool. Looks good. All right. Test it again, shall we? Let's add in Cinderella. Add Cinderella in. We're gonna add Snake. There we go. Alright. I should have played the fox. Well. Oh my god, it goes to the right spot. About time, man. About, I can't believe that was a pivot issue. It's so stupid. I mean, it makes sense, but like, still. Right? Like, still. Color Hollins. Wait, his channel didn't go off. Should be 9. No, I didn't want to play any cards there. I play Snake Picks on this side. There he goes. That was not ideal. It looked cool. It wasn't right. Wow. It just works. Oh. Also, how did I just lose? How did the undead just die? Oh. White Shroud got it. Yeah, that makes sense. White. That was such a big delay for Snow White for the buff. Shouldn't be that delay like that. Stepmother does not sort correctly. How do we fix that? How do I fix that? These dogs, man. Okay. Alright. So Snow White, her ability is too slow. Is there a delay here? Up. Punch. 0.3 seconds. Interesting. So this should Snow White cards I.update display. Updating display updates the health and everything, right? I think. Yes. Yes, it does. And she should go here as well. For this. Right? That's the glaring issue for her. Might be for all cards that buff them. Give me a Snow White. No. Am I able to spell Snow White? Yep, couldn't spell Snow White. I think we're okay here. Double Snow White, what does it mean? The Wishing Well. Yeah, I love that it actually goes to the right spot now. Long Lawrence. Dang, Master Freedom. That's fair. Now they get a free card pulled down every time in their hand. I love Woman, the Enchanted Castle. What just took damage? Why was there damage? I'm confused. Okay. I'm gonna say I don't think that I don't think Master Freedom works correctly. That's hot take. I'll say I don't think he works correctly. Why did the wolf get played? I am so lost. Nice. Why is he... Master Frame is playing the cards on my side. It's busted. Master Frame is playing the cards on my side. Master Frame. Please turn I. So, Other deck. Available around and round. Okay. Other deck is card random in hand. And player deck. Add cards to the opponent. Or add cards to the player. Oh! Oh, this actually should be backward. Look at that. Master Freedom's code was wrong. Master Freedom's code was wrong. It was backward. Snow White's ability now. Snow White's ability timing is correct. Wow. Okay. So then. Okay. So. Okay. Spec Snow White, shall we? I have to make sure that when we do Snow White, that when we update display, oops, make sure we also game turn manager, update game board. Cool. That way we pop it. Nice. Sweet, man. So happy to hear that. Alright, we are going to push a new build. And then might be on later tonight to work on some stream game stuff. This is a big deal. Guys, thank you so much. If you have not already backed the Kickstarter, please think about backing the Kickstarter. You're gonna get some really cool rewards out of it. Let's go raid somebody. Let's do this live. In the interwebs, doing interweb-like things. Who can we go and... Let's go over to Tim Boday's channel. Let's go see what he's up to. Tim's an awesome developer. He's working on... looks like some more of his racing stuff. We're gonna raid him. Raid message is going to be Twitch raid, Kickstarter raid, Twitch raid. And until next time, guys, I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your Wednesday. Peace out.